Yo yo yo, welcome back to another this is a tutorial video. I haven't done one of these before, but thought I'd do it. This is on a subject that I had a hard time finding tutorials for, so I thought that I would give it a go. I got it to work for me, and the topic is the Linux browser source plugin. Basically, let me explain it real quick. With the Windows and Mac, there's a source you can add called the browser source, which allows you to put in a URL and it'll pop up the page. But with the Linux version, since I use Linux, this was a problem for me. It doesn't have that by default. So there's a plugin, but I finally found one. I was gonna do a shout out, but I couldn't find it again. But it finally worked for me, and I got it to work. So I thought since there was only one I found, I'd make one, try and get this out there a little more. So yeah, let's roll the intro. Alright, so first of all, of course, you're going to need to get OBS Studio, open broadcasting software, great application, free, of course, it's free, works really well, it's what a lot of professionals use, so you got to download this. And then, for the plugin, this is the link, I'll put it in the description. You're going to want to download this right here. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it, I'll just click on it. And then this pops up. You're gonna want to go save file. Okay, I'm not gonna mess around with that. So that's what you need. You need to download both of those, and then you go down. I'm gonna switch workspaces here. Open up my file manager, and then I'm gonna go to my downloads, and it'll be in here. That's where it'll be for you guys. So what you're gonna want to do is grab it and put it in your home first. Just put it in your home. Then you're gonna want to go. You're gonna want to go up here, wherever you can hit Show Hidden Files. It'll be under View. It'll be under Properties. It might be. So just find this Show Hidden Files, and then you're gonna want to go and drag that file that you downloaded into your .config folder. So you want to drag it in here. And then you're going to look for OBS Studio, which is right here for me. You're going to go in here, and then it needs to be in this one, but for me, it wasn't like this for everybody else, but for me, it has a lock. So what you do is once it's in here, I'm going to push open in terminal, and then I'm going to go sudo mv, the name of that file, and then plugins, and hit enter, and then it'll move it into here, and then it'll be in here, and since it's a .tar.tgz thing, it'll have that. So what you're gonna do is right click on it, and then down here, it's not for me, but it'll have an extract here button. You're gonna click that, and then you will have this folder here, and it'll work. So I'm gonna prove it. I have it all there. Next out of that, I'm gonna open up OBS. So I have my scene here. I'm using a different computer to record, that's why it's only double for you guys. But then you're gonna go add, and right here, Linux browser. So if you add this, just add it real quick, it'll default go to OBS Studio, and you can put in whatever link you want to record and put in whatever web page you want. So this can be very useful for things like let me get rid of this. Remove. Yes. I have a subalert right now, which I actually need to get going on my laptop, which is where I record. I have a capture card set up. Subalerts are, you can use it with, I'll do a tutorial on that in a little bit too, but you can use Streamlabs, just the website, and basically you can you can put in your YouTube channel, and then it'll detect whenever a what's it called, a subscriber like a new subscriber is there, and then it'll send an alert. So if you're on a live stream, it'll do an alert. I have that set up. I'm gonna be running that with my new live stream, so if you guys see me in a live stream and you want to see that alert, just subscribe and you'll be able to see it. So yeah, there's my tutorial on the Linux browser plugin. Hopefully guys, it helps you. Again, these links will be in the tutorial, or the description. Of course it's in the tutorial, just did the tutorial. But yeah, so hopefully guys, this helped you out. I know it was really hard for me to find it, so glad to help you out if I did. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial or episode or wherever I see you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.